So today what we're going to be doing is a Olga Albizu inspired artwork using the Kids Mon painting game. If you would like to do this on normal paper, that is okay too. But we're going to be doing an abstract expressionist color painting. And like Olga Albizu, we're going to start with a bright colored background and then going to add different kinds of squares or these like kind of blocks of colors on it. So it is up to you what colors you'd like to use. It is also up to you if you would like to do one colored background or a many colored background. So looking around this as this loads, you have different size paintbrushes, you have markers and crayons. I'm going to show you what I'm going to use, but it's okay if you want to use different mark making tools to create your artwork. Okay, we should be in good shape now. So I feel like the easiest one to use is the paintbrush tool to make a background. And this plus and minus sign is for making the brush bigger and smaller. So I'm going to push plus until it's the biggest. Clicking this paint palette right here is going to give us a color option. So I'm going to choose a bright color. I'm going to do this color. And then I'm going to take some time to just paint the entire background. This paintbrush is kind of fun because it drips, which might be an effect you want to do later too. If you are doing this on paper, you're going to do this a little backwards. Or if you have paint, you can do it paint. But if you're just drawing, you might want to do your background last after you do your blocks of color. If you've already started doing a huge block of color, that is okay. Maybe what you can do is take another piece of paper or darker colors and either take another piece of paper and draw on it and cut it out, or use the darker colors to paint on top or draw on top. The great thing about this digital platform is that when I paint on top of this pink, it will show up. Okay. So I'm going to continue using this paintbrush, but like I said, you can use any of these other tools to see how you like them. And I'm going to start with different colors, making kind of these block-like sections. So hers, a lot of the squares are kind of combined in the middle of her compositions or her artwork. So I'm going to do multiple yellow, kind of rectangular shaped splotches of paint. And then I'm going to choose a new color and do the same. Remember, once again, your artwork does not have to look exactly like mine. In fact, I really want it to look different because, well, I've already seen this and I'd like to see something new. I really like how that drips. If you don't like how it drips, you can use another kind of tool over here. Also, if you feel like one color is getting a little too dominant, meaning that it's taking too much space, you can also push the undo, which is this. Say I did that and I did not want to do that. I can undo. There's an eraser too, but that might erase your background. Or if I want, let's say, yellow to appear a little bit on this blue, I can go back with colors. So I would say you use at least 3 colors that you feel look good together, or for you represent something special that maybe you're trying to express through your abstract expressionism. Real quick, I want to talk about those 2 words. Abstract means that the picture isn't an actual picture of something. It's not a flower or something recognizable. It's just usually colors and shapes and lines that create the picture. Expressionism, if you know the word express, it means to visualize your feelings or express a story. So if you're using abstract, not using pictures, and expressing, we're just using colors to kind of show how we feel about something. And these are the colors I feel today. So I feel like I have enough colors and I have enough of the marks on my composition. I'm going to go ahead and click this, which is the save. Once I've clicked that, it should save to your device. You should see a little arrow making it pop down. Or you can screenshot this. So make sure you save before you exit out.